How to fix TikTok no internet issue. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first, for this you will have to figure out whether it's your mobile network or the Wi-Fi, because there might be problem with your Wi-Fi. So in that case you will have to restart your Wi-Fi, and also you can try switching off your Wi-Fi for a while and make sure that you are switching it off for at least 10 seconds and then restart it again. And in case if it is the problem of your mobile network, then just turn on the airplane mode and after that just turn it off. This way you would be able to know whether it's your mobile network or the Wi-Fi, and after that you will be able to solve the problem quite easily. Also, just remove the cache memory of TikTok in case if it is not working, and after that just restart your TikTok. This way it would be working quite fine. And even if it's not working, even after doing all these methods, then just simply reinstall your TikTok and it should be working quite fine after that. And these are some ways you can utilize in order to solve this problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.